Hi there. I am doing a project for another video, ironically, and I wanted to use this as an opportunity to show you how valuable a tool this properties palette really is. So let me first describe the project. I've got a contour map and I've got a channel center line. And the problem is when I look at it from the side, you can see that because I drew the channel all from the outlet, everything was at this elevation, which happens to be 119 feet in elevation. You can see it's above origin. That is not really accurate because it's all in one plane. So what I need to do is get the rest of this center line to be at the elevation it is. You may say, well, okay, you can select one, and then you can see down here, if I'm hovering over the line itself, look down in the bottom here and you can see that it is at 150 elevation. And sure enough, over in the properties palette, elevation under geometry is 150. But then if I use this button here to select objects, I want to select this bit of stream. That's not a good example because it's already done. Let's find one that hasn't been done. There we go. You can see it says start Z, that's the elevation, 119, end Z, 119. So you can see this actually allows you to give different values to the start of the line versus the end of the line. Now, just a little more backstory. I had actually originally done this as a polyline, but if I had used the start and end of the polyline, it wouldn't necessarily have shown all of these variations in slope. And so that's why I had to explode it into line segments. And so now all I'm going to do is click here. It's editable. And I'm going to say this, I'm looking here. I know this is 150. That's my nearest contour line, index contour line. So this must be 151. So I'm just going to highlight it and just type over with my keypad 151, cha, 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 152, ha. And then I come back here, select the next one, and it says one found, and I have to hit enter to lock it in. And then here, 152, cha, 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 53. And I just keep going like that. And it is tedious, but there are times of tedium in this job. And you just make it go as fast as you can, kind of like adding cha-cha-cha. And you can see that once you know the click flow, it actually goes pretty fast. And I'm just using the right-hand IBM keypad. Never use the numbers up above the keyboard. It's just not worth it. And then this little one, I'm just going to guess that it goes up to 158. All right, and so now I can auto hide that, deselect. So here is my plan view, and here's my profile view.